Protein shakes and quick smoothies are a practical staple for active lifestyles, meal prep routines, and on-the-go nutrition. The blender you choose should balance motor power, blade design, cup integration, and cleanability without overcomplicating daily use. In this review, I tested 5 popular personal. Product number 1, Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender. The Ninja QB3001SS is a compact, personal blender built around a 700-watt base designed for quick, single-serve blends. It ships with 2 16-ounce cups and spill-resistant spout lids, making it ideal for users who want an easy wake-up smoothie or post-workout shake that travels. Its pulse technology and push-to-blend interface emphasize simplicity. Product number 2, Ninja BL660 Professional Compact Smoothie. The Ninja BL660 is a more capable compact model featuring a robust 1100-watt motor and a larger 72-ounce pitcher for family-sized blends, alongside 16-ounce to-go cups with spout lids. This model introduces more versatility with 3 speeds, pulse, and a dedicated single-serve function, plus built-in food Product number 3, KOIOS Smoothie Blender. KOIOS presents a high watt power to size ratio with a 900-watt motor and upgraded all-copper turbo motor pulse technology. It ships with 2 22-ounce cups and no BPA cups and lids, emphasizing portability and health-focused design. The removable blade assembly uses 304 stainless steel and targets quick, nutritious blends with ice and frozen ingredients. Product number 4, nutribullet Personal Blender. nutribullet's renowned compact system focuses on simplicity and quick nutrition with a 600-watt motor and a 24-ounce cup. The design emphasizes ease of use. Push, twist, and blend, and cleaning is aided by dishwasher-safe components. nutribullet has a strong reputation for delivering smooth textures with greens and fruits. Product number 5, Ninja BN301 Nutri Blender Plus Compact Personal Blender. The Ninja BM301 expands the personal blender concept with a 900-watt base and 3 20-ounce cups, including multiple lids and a storage option. It emphasizes blend-to-go versatility and includes a Pro Extractor blades assembly for efficient nutrient extraction. The unit is designed to combine portability with a slightly more robust blend.